Average density of matter in the universe. Density is the total amount of matter that an object is made of divided by the volume the object occupies. The density of luminous matter, normal matter that interacts with gravity, electromagnetism, the weak and the strong force, is calculated by counting the number of galaxies and determining the mass of the stars and galaxies within a volume. The average density of matter includes dark matter besides the luminous matter. To calculate the amount of dark matter, the mass of clusters of galaxies is measured by their temperature that is calculated from X-rays from the cluster. The average density of luminous matter is about 0.2 atoms per cubic meter, and the average density of the universe, including dark matter, is about 1.5 hydrogen atoms per cubic meter. So most of the universe, including dark matter, is empty space.